Hi, Dragons. I hope that you had a great first day of our online school. I wanted to share a read aloud with you. And the book that I wanted to share today is There Was an Old Dragon Who Swallowed a Knight. I hope you enjoy it. There was an old dragon who swallowed a knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. It's not polite. There was an old dragon who swallowed a steed that galloped around at a terrible speed. Oh, how the dragon wished it would stop that clippity, 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 clop. He swallowed the steed right after the knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. It's not polite. There was an old dragon who swallowed a squire, who hollered, "That's hot!" when the dragon breathed fire. He swallowed the squire to calm the steed that galloped around at a terrible speed. He swallowed the steed right after the knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. It's not polite. Clippity clop, clippity clop. There was an old dragon who swallowed a cook, a savory cook and his recipe book. He swallowed the cook to fatten the squire. He swallowed the squire to calm the steed that galloped around at a terrible speed. He swallowed the steed right after the knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. It's not polite. There was an old dragon who swallowed a lady. It seems quite shady that he swallowed a lady. He swallowed the lady to rule the cook. He swallowed the cook to fatten the squire. He swallowed the squire to calm the steed that galloped around at a terrible speed. He swallowed the steed right after the knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. It's not polite. There was an old dragon who swallowed a castle. Swallowed it down to the last golden tassel. Imagine swallowing a castle. He swallowed the castle to hold the lady. He swallowed the lady to rule the cook. He swallowed the cook to fatten the squire. He swallowed the squire to calm the steed that galloped around at a terrible speed. He swallowed the steed right after the knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. It's not polite. There was an old dragon who swallowed a moat, guzzled and gulped it right down his throat. With all of that water, he started to bloat. And that's when the dragon roared, and I quote, "Okay, enough! I've had enough! More than enough of this swallowing stuff! Maybe I've been a tad impolite. Perchance I should only have swallowed the knight." Big dragon. So he burped out the moat that had caused him to bloat. He burped out the castle along with the tassel. He burped out the lady who found that quite shady. He burped out the cook and his recipe book. He burped out the squire, now blackened with fire. Then, with all of the power that he could amass, the dragon burped out one last billow of gas. Burp! And with terrible speed, he burped up the steed. Clippity clop, clippity clop, clippity clop. There was an old dragon who swallowed the knight. Just right. Good night. And that is the end of There Was an Old Dragon Who Swallowed a Knight. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back soon and we'll have a lot more read alouds for you all. Have a great day, dragons.